Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Diablo 4 without internet. Unfortunately, Diablo 4 is an always online game, meaning a persistent internet connection is absolutely required for all gameplay. There is no official offline mode available for any part of the experience, from character creation to exploring the vast world. This design choice ensures a consistent online environment, supports shared world features, and helps prevent various forms of cheating. So, playing completely offline is not an option. Diablo 4's core architecture is built around a shared online world, which means many of its features depend on constant server communication. Elements like player versus player zones, dynamic world events, and even your character's progression are all managed and stored on Blizzard's secure servers. This integration allows for seamless multiplayer experiences and ensures data integrity across all platforms. It is a fundamental aspect of the game's design. Given its always-online nature, a stable and reliable internet connection is essential to enjoy Diablo 4 without interruption. Any disconnections, even brief ones, will typically interrupt your gameplay, often returning you to the main menu or even logging you out entirely. To ensure the best possible experience, it is highly recommended to play on a network with consistent connectivity. This minimizes frustrating interruptions during your adventures. While Diablo 4 requires an internet connection, many other excellent action role-playing games do offer dedicated offline modes for solo play. If playing without internet is a priority, exploring those titles might be a great alternative. Diablo 4's current design is deeply integrated with its online services, and it is highly unlikely to change to include an offline option. Instead, embrace the rich online features, including cooperative play and exciting seasonal content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.